Waiting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can add a watermark to our document. So for instance, you have a document, I don't want nobody to share it, so I just want to put a watermark on it so that definitely keep us confidential. So I'm going to guide you through that particular process there. Right? So I want to bring up the document. So this itself is a document, but I want to actually insert the photo on here. Right? So the first thing I wanted to do is come right up here, where design and click. I'm going to come to my far right, and here you go. This is watermark. If you notice a page background right here, so see right here. So click, you notice it give you a confidential 1 year, confidential 2. Don't copy. Sometimes you get like maybe a passport size form, and when you get it, you will see like it said don't copy, or it might say confidential. But what we want to focus on right here is the custom watermark. So I'm going to click on custom watermark. Alright, and if you notice, this can actually move to any part of the screen that you wanted to move it, just like that. But what we wanted to do, definitely, we're going to come right here. If you notice, no watermark here, picture watermark right here, it's a text and all that. So we're going to click right here inside, there's a picture. Notice right away, so we're going to select a photo. Now this is taken right here. So it says select, so it says from file. So you can search from internet right here. You can search from OneDrive if you have an account, but I'm going to boot from a desktop right here. Right, so you're going to take me to this particular section here. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to try and select photo. Right, so I want to select this photo here. So I'm going to select this photo. So while I select that particular photo, I'm going to click on open. Right, so while I click on open, what will happen? You notice this washout, you will see picture appear if you have this washout. So you're going to click right here and check that. Right, and if you notice right here auto, you can come right here. So you put it like maybe 500 and 200 in order to up the thing, and then you're going to click on apply. When you click on apply, alright, what you will notice, so let me close this here. You notice right here, see it actually over the background, but let me go up some more. Alright, if you notice, you actually see the color around there, but it kind of looks a bit too big, so let me go back again and shift it down some more. Alright, so we're going to move it from 500 to 200 and I'm going to apply here. So notice, I can come back here. Right, I'm going to get a little smaller to 150. Going to apply right here. Just the same. Alright, good. So therefore, look at it now. That's how it actually looks. So therefore, so that itself is my particular photo. If you still want to go down more, alright, let me go back again and put it a little smaller, that it can actually stand out. Right? So if I put it right there at 50, and come like that to apply it, remember, I will show apply and then I close. Right, and I come like this. And if you notice right here, it's actually showing my face right here and some other stuff. So this is definitely, if you have an important document you don't want nobody to share it, you actually put a watermark on it. So this is how you actually do the document. So here you can actually type, make any changes on the document, but the background itself is nothing you can do.